Well, hello. Uber drivers being attacked by their passengers, and ICE driving up on an Uber driver in a parking lot, waiting on a ride and giving him hell. I'm going to show you a couple videos. I'm going to attempt to show you a couple videos that I just saw this morning. And yeah, dash cam. Uber driver, I'm getting one. I'm getting me a dash cam. That's all there is to it. You got to start documenting some of your stuff, okay? This one here, I'm getting one. That's all there is to it. I'm searching. So I'll tell you more about that another day. But right now, I'm going to play these videos for you on what's happened here. Now, the first one I'm going to show you now, this could be bad for some people. If you're kind of queasy on this kind of stuff, you may not want to watch this video. I'm going to show it off of YouTube of what the news channel reported after the incident. So I'll show you a little bit of the video from the dash cam and the results of what the gentleman suffered. 61-year-old man, this happened to him, okay? So here we go. I'm gonna try to get this off to you, and here we go.
We are seeing the wild dash cam video that shows exactly what happened, and police believe it was all unprovoked. What started out as a routine ride for an Uber driver turned into something much more than anyone could imagine. The lone passenger in the back seat had just been picked up, and moments later, without warning, he suddenly attacks the 61-year-old driver. You see punches repeatedly thrown his way. The driver manages to bring the car to a stop. Remarkable considering the crime was happening in the busy express lanes of I-95 in southern Broward County. The trip was supposed to go from Deerfield Beach to Miami International Airport, but instead, the passenger landed in jail. 19-year-old Isaiah Norton was arrested on charges of battery causing bodily harm and obstructing an officer. On the dashcam video, the struggle between Norton and the driver appears to go on for several minutes, but once outside the car, alongside the highway, passerbys stepped in to help, including an armed off-duty officer, according to the victim's family, who was able to subdue the teen until FHP troopers arrived. The victim, Ruben Carayino, was left bruised and bloody with serious injuries across his face. Doctors checked out the 61-year-old in the hospital. His family says he's lucky to be alive after the violent encounter.
So there you go.
So
that's what happened to the gentleman.
One is still recovering, and in a
dash cam caught it all. All right, that's you have to be careful out here nowadays, especially if you work in those big cities like that. If you're working big cities, you need a dash cam. You need to be protecting yourself, not just for your passengers, but for accidents and stuff like that, to show that you're in the right. Dash cam could be important for this year. All right. Yeah. So let's get into this next video. Now, this happened to a gentleman that was sitting in a parking lot waiting to get a ride from Uber. And sure enough, ICE, this is in Minnesota, the day, I think it was the same day, maybe the day after they shot and killed the lady in her car. So this happened, and you'll see the results. The gentleman kept his cool. All right, he is, I don't know exactly where this gentleman's from, but he kept his cool. He filmed all this on his cell phone, but you'll see the part of this. All right, here we go.
Chilling at my job in the Uber, and this lady just pulls over, and she's like, are you a U.S. citizen? In a parking lot at work. That's the officer lady. And they just shot somebody right now in Minnesota. Imagine that. Are we in Germany? Why are you guys doing this?
You tell me, sir.
Why are you guys going around just asking people like at work whether they're U.S. citizens or not? Are you guys not supposed to be patrolling the border?
Do you want to answer the question or not?
Why would I answer you? Where's your warrant?
We're running a fight.
Run your plates. You do whatever you want.
You can record. Feel free.
Yeah. That's kind of crazy though, right? Like you guys leave the border and go harass people based on their skin color? Ain't that a shame? Are you doing this to everybody or is it just black people? Come on now, you know what it is. You guys just murdered somebody in cold blood in this city today, and God brought you guys to me at work. I'm literally working here. You know, I've been sitting here since 10 a.m. waiting for a ride, and right now I'm getting rides. And if I leave, I'm afraid you motherfuckers might just shoot me.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Why would I answer you?
Because if you're not a citizen of this country, you have to have your immigration.
Why would I not be a citizen of this country, man?
What a ridiculous question. Why would I have an immigration?
Are you a citizen? Are you a dude? Listen, I'm here working. You're working too, right?
Right.
So go. It says U.S. Border Patrol. This is not the border. Go to the Canada border or the Mexico border.
If you were from
I'm
this
working,
country,
dude.
If you were from this country,
What do you mean? What do you mean if I'm from this country?
I can hear you don't have the same accent
What?
as me. That's why I'm.
Oh, so you're going by accents now?
I wanna know
Is
where
that
you
what
were
it
born.
is?
Where were you born?
Is that accents? Have you heard the Israeli accent? Have you heard the European accent?
You just
It's
proved my
garbage.
point. You're a
It's
brilliant man.
So there you go, guys. Dash cam. I swear to you, we need to get them. Everyone should have a dash cam nowadays. They're easy to acquire, and protect yourself. You see the incidents that can happen, that things get out of control sometimes. They're not, we're Uber drivers. We're up here driving the vehicle, and we're happy, and we're going down the road, and everything's cool. And then all of a sudden something happens where, in that one incident, man picks up a rider that just was out there somehow, a little has issues. Then you have the incident with ICE, and I don't know how you are politically. I'm not going to get into all that. I have strong opinions politically, but anyway, protect yourself. Be aware of your surroundings. Get a camera. That's the easiest way to protect yourself nowadays. Is just get you a camera, start videotaping your rides. They're fairly inexpensive. I'm looking at several different models right now. I have been approached by 2 different camera companies asking me if I would do reviews on their cameras. I'm considering an offer right now from one of them. It's a high-end company that have offered me a free dash cam, and I think I'm going to take that deal. So I'm after seeing this past week, and you can Google search Uber drivers being attacked. You can Google search, some of this stuff, and you'll see that a lot of this is happening. So you might want to consider this year getting you a camera, film what's going on in your vehicle on a daily basis, and your surroundings. The one I'm looking at is going to do the front, the back, in the car, the sides. It does it all. So that's the one I'm really considering. It's offered to me by a company. I'm not going to say their name yet because I'm not sure I'm going to do the deal. But they've offered me a camera free to review. And after seeing some of this past week, I think I'm going to take that offer. I'm going to. Daddy-O needs one. We all need. You should have one. I should have had one before. There are things that happen in my vehicle from time to time that I wish I had recorded because they're comical. They're kind of funny, and I would love to save them on my laptop or something and maybe show them to you, because stuff does happen out here that can make you laugh your ass off sometimes. And I apologize for the language that was used in that one video. That was raw. It was just as it was. It's real world. All right, that's the world we live in. So anyway, I apologize for that. But anyway, this was a short video just to let you know. Subscribe, ring the bell. I haven't said any of that. You guys have been absolutely fantastic at subscribing. Appreciate that very much. So ring the bell. That's a good one. And the thumbs up is big too. So if you got anything out of this, you can also buy Daddy-O a cup of coffee down at the bottom. I'm going to do something later. I think today I got another subject. This just hit me this morning because I saw a lot of this last night. I saw those videos last night pop up, and because of the Uber stuff, and I figured you guys might need to know. Protect yourself out here. It's the world we live in nowadays, and you gotta, know that what you're saying is truthful when you're talking to the law. And if you got video to back it up, you're good to go. All right. So anyway, Daddy-O's gonna let you go. You guys have a good afternoon, good evening. I'll see you later, maybe. Bye.